So, as we move forward with digital marketing, we need to understand how technology has progressed in our today's time. And mobile marketing is one of the aspects that can help us begin with our journey to increase our audience and create a market reach. What is mobile marketing? It is a set of practices that using technologies that help us curate and optimize a market in a particular direction and communicate and engage with the audience in an interactive and relevant manner through and with any mobile device or network. It provides customers with time and location sensitive personalized information that promotes good services and ideas. Mobile marketing is about adding new levels of utility and utilize your mobile devices. We need to understand how technology is an enabler here. It is important to remember that technology in this case is an enabler, allowing us to conduct business faster, better, and cheaper. The mobile device will not make a business decision for us. It should be viewed merely as a product or a structure to help us begin with. One of the greatest use of mobile marketing would be optimizing our micro moments. Increasingly, we are seeing users turn to their mobile devices for quick in the moment advice, help, or information. Instead of getting down to research a topic or issue in depth, they're more likely to take immediate actions and to expect instantaneous answers. For instance, a user who performs a query like how much Advil to give a 12-year-old clearly wants one accurate bite-sized piece of information in that moment. They don't want graphs, videos, charts, or in-depth comparison of various painkillers. It has termed these micro moments and identified four types of micro moments that the business owners should be aware of. The first is I want to know moments, for example, what is the capital of Washington state? The second is I want to go moments, for example, where is the nearest grocery store? The third is I want to do moments, how do I cook a turkey? And the fourth is I want to buy moments, for example, Adidas code vintage seekers. Out, in order to optimize for these moments, business owners need to anticipate ahead of time what their customers are likely to need, then create content then perfectly fulfill those queries. Then this content would need to be available instantly in bite-sized pieces so users can easily find and use it while on the go. The second is using QR codes to streamline user experience. One way to provide relevant info and quickly and seamlessly as possible to mobile users is through use of QR codes. QR codes help you popularize and create a stagnant position to curate your audience. Using a QR code to conduct comparisons means being present for those lucrative I want to buy micro moments. When you are trying to use QR codes, you're trying to capture the audience in a targeted and specific content. Generally speaking, they shouldn't take customers to your homepage when you're using QR codes. They should present you with the product that are targeted for that QR code or that lucrative option. Possible uses for QR codes on your site includes taking them to a campaign specific landing page, functioning as a Facebook like button, the offering details into info or particular product or groups of products, taking them to contact page or form, offering coupons. The third is using hyperlocal markets. Hyperlocal markets can help consumers location specific and information. And I'm not just talking about city-wide information. I'm talking about hyperlocal based on very small specific geographical locations. Here are some ways you can use hyperlocal marketing in your mobile marketing technologies. Get a mobile app or sites location based keywords. Don't forget to optimize for street and neighborhood names, not just cities. Get listed in local directories and review sites like Google My Business and Yelp. Use hyperlocal advertising to geographically target your ads and mobile users in your areas. Contribute to local publications, example community newsletters and local newspapers. Work on getting mentions, links, and reviews in local blogs. It can not only help you boost local skills, it can help you build your brand's reputation in your community. As local users see your content listings and ads, they will become more familiar with your brand, leading to an increased local brand recognition, trust, and sales. Use SMS marketing to connect with users on the fly. There's a huge potential when it comes to SMS marketing. Consider these stats. According to VentureBeat, the open rate for text-based promotion is 98%. Compare this to around 20% in traditional email campaigns. According to Slick Test, the average click-through rate for text marketing messages is 36% compared to emails 6 to 7%. And research suggests that the use of mobile coupons is only going to grow over the next few years. According to Juniper Research, there will be approximately 1.05 billion mobile coupon users by 2019. But while opportunity is huge, many business owners are unsure how to use SMS or multimedia messaging services to capture the attention of their subscribers. Here you can use them to offer a valuable incentive for signing, publicize sales and events, send appointment reminders for service-based businesses, and customer service. Now, what are the elements of mobile marketing strategy? Mobile marketing strategy consists of optimized websites, applications, social media messaging, display advertising, and point of purchase technology. Mobile applications are downloaded and installed on the apps rather than being rendered within a web browser and may pull content and data from the internet. Social media platform searches are power of networking tool and create an audience wherever they are in the real time. Display advertising is designed to display on mobile devices and apps. Mobile search should be optimized for creating in-search activities. The now point of purchase technology provides mobile-based e-commerce transaction processing. It includes devices such as the Square and PayPal here and near field technologies or tap or bump technology. Now, to understand how mobile marketing works, let us see how companies use it. For example, in May 2015, Periscope UP was retained to help a nationwide financial service firm and launch and optimize a mobile responsive website. The client recognized the target audience was spreading more and more time on mobile devices. Yet they were not seeing an increase in mobile organic traffic or conversion. What was the solution they found? Although the firm consistently ranked one on page on desktop for highly relevant terms, they were not garnering rankings or impressions on mobile. Following the launch of the new responsive websites, Periscope UP compressed and minified all site images to improve page load speed. We conduct an audit of the submission forms and made recommendations for more streamlined forms with fewer required fields for greater usability on mobile device and blocked some pages content from displaying on mobile. We implemented scheme structured data and ensured that the page metadata was concise enough to display in mobile search results. We also ensured that the site CSS and image files are not blocked and could be crawled by smartphone Google bot. Over time, the website began to secure page 1 and 2 mobile rankings for key terms, garner more impressions, and attract more mobile visitors from the organic channel. Over the course of approximately 2 years, mobile sessions from the organic channel increased by 459% and mobile organic conversions increased by 239%. The positive results shown in the graph on the right illustrate how mobile SEO optimization can translate to gains in organic sessions and conversions for mobile visitors. A site that ignores mobile SEO optimization may be inadvertently turning away mobile visitors. Hence, we can conclude that mobile marketing is a very vital tool to understand when you're trying to get into marketing and marketing ventures and to brand your product on a public scale.